I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken salad at home for weight loss. First, select lean protein such as skinless chicken breast, which is naturally lower in calories and fat. Prepare your chicken by baking or grilling it, ensuring you avoid any extra oils or butter. Once cooked, shred or dice the chicken into small, uniform pieces, making it easy to mix and enjoy in your salad. Next, let's create a lighter dressing. Opt for plain Greek yogurt or a reduced-fat mayonnaise to keep the calorie count down while maintaining a creamy texture. Enhance your salad with plenty of fresh, crunchy vegetables like diced celery, colorful bell peppers, and shredded carrots. Don't forget to add fresh herbs such as dill or parsley for a burst of natural flavor without extra calories. To elevate your chicken salad, incorporate ingredients that boost both flavor and texture. A small amount of healthy fats, like a quarter of an avocado or a tablespoon of chopped almonds, can add richness and satiety. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a dash of apple cider vinegar brightens the taste. For a hint of natural sweetness, try adding a few halved grapes or diced apple pieces. Finally, consider how you'll enjoy your delicious, healthy chicken salad. Serve it on crisp lettuce wraps for a low-carb option, or with whole grain crackers for added fiber. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, ensuring freshness. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep even easier, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.